Nosebleed na ako. Ilang beses na ako.
Hi. Alright. Where are you from? Are you just gonna wave your hand or are you gonna talk?
I'm going to talk. I'm from the Philippines.
Nice to meet you, Yaki.
Okay, nice to meet you too.
Welcome to my live, Yaki.
Oh my god, my screen.
Alright.
I'm gonna mute you for a while, okay?
No, don't do that.
Why?
I'm not giving you permission to put me on mute.
Okay. But I'm going to
Yeah.
talk my viewers, not you, okay?
Okay. I'll give you, I don't know, 10 seconds.
Okay, guys, 10 seconds.
Hold-
Just stop up.
Hold on, one moment, Yaki. Are you a student?
No?
Okay, you are working already?
Of course.
Okay. Where are you from?
I said that Philippines.
Sinabi mo na bang galing ka taga Pilipinas ka?
What?
Guys, come on.
Wait. I'm speechless.
Sige, kausapin mo muna yung mga viewers mo. Guys, only one, guys.
You're pranking me, huh?
Hindi kita pinaprank. Nag-ano lang, kinausap lang kita.
Ay, kala ko. Nosebleed na ako. Ilang beses na ang maano rito taga ibang bansa tapos niloloko mo pa ako. Mali-mali na nga yung grammar ko sa mga ano eh.
Taga Batangas ka, no?
Hindi. Pag nahulaan mo,
may
pag
pake.
nahulaan mo.
Batangas nga sa akin kasi may pae sa huli.
Hindi. Ganyan talaga ang aking salita.
Walang forever. Hello guys. Welcome everybody.
Wala daw forever.
XD Club.
Walang forever.
Fun Club, okay. Yankee, may agency ka ba?
Wala.
Okay.